Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Akash. Today I'm going to unbox a new calligraphy set that I ordered. I just received it. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So I have my parcel opener. Okay. Oh damn. It's good package, so let's complete. Okay. Yeah, in German these are called brief openers. You can find them out. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Some paper. Yeah. This is the parallel pen ink cartridges. So you can see them. You have pink, red, orange, yellow, light green, green, turquoise, blue, violet, sepia, blue, black, black. Nice. So these are the cartridges. I think these are patented one, so that you can only use with them. So here are the different kinds of pens that I ordered. Let's go by one after the other. So this is the 2.4 mm width, nib width. So I think, yeah, this is one with an orange. The next parallel pen with a 1.5 mm nib width. You can see this is a bit smaller. Creating the next one. This is another one. I think they come in different colors just to differentiate between the nib widths. So this one is a 3.8 mm width, and the next parallel pen is the blue one. So this is 6.0 mm width. Yeah. So there are like 4 different kinds of parallel pens. Okay, let's try to arrange them according to the nib width. Okay. So the lowest is 1.5 mm, then this 2.4 mm, 3.8 and 6.0 mm, like from small to big. Yep. And yes, let's open the bigger one. How do you open this? Okay, so there is the open. Okay, let's take the knife. To the opening. Okay, yeah, done. So this is the 6.0 mm one. It's blue in color. You can see, I think this is a black and red cartridge and a cleaner, and this is the pen. Yeah. Let's go for the next one. The next one is a 3.8 mm one. Damn. Yeah, but so I think everything looks the same. Like we have the cleaner one and the pen itself, the cap, red and black cartridge, and a nib cleaner behind. Yeah, that's a nib cleaner. I think because these are like the proprietary cartridges, so you should only use the palette pen one. So I think these are a bit expensive, I guess. Let's continue. So now is the time for the 2.4 mm one. Okay. Yeah. I think the package is consistent across different nib widths. Okay. Same for all four. I think there are 4 different nib widths, not more than that. Let's open the 1.5 mm one. Cool. This one is also the same. Yeah. Okay. Now I have all 4 of them and the last one. Okay. So I think this is just the invoice of it. Yep, you can see that I purchased 4 palette pens and just 1 12 coloring cartridges. So this is the one, 12 cartridges. Yeah, that's it. Let's see what's inside this one. Wow, these colors are very nice. Almost looks like crayons. So yeah, that's it guys, the unboxing. Hope you enjoy and like and subscribe. Otherwise, bye.